welcome. Want to learn this new song? Natamani Nikuone. That is the song that I want to teach you. So the song starts with a melody. Yeah, from F. That's a melody. So at that time you are you come to B, but with C sharp. So Natamani Nikuone uso. Make sure you use that diminished. You can see those chords. So this is where we begin. When you are in B plus C sharp, make sure you use the diminished. You want it, so go. That is our 6. This is the 6. I'm just inverting it. The left hand I have the 6 here. Nikuabudu 1 over 5. Nikuabudu. You can see? So the whole thing. So nione uso wako nikuabudu. I'm just inverting the C sharp metal. Nikuabudu. So to play that song, you need to use a particular beat. Let me look for that beat. Yeah, this one. Yeah, I'm starting with the snares. Again, look at the chords. That melody. Make sure you use that melody. Let's start. Again. So to play it. Natamani nikuone uso wako, nikuabudu. Again. So that's how we maneuver. And the bass part, let's try the bass. For that one, you're starting with 6, but make sure you are following the melody. That's how we do it. So you begin here. Natamani nikuone. Then this movement. Nikuone uso wako, nikuabudu. That's how we do it. So thank you for watching my video. So keep on subscribing for more content. Let me know the other song that you want me to play for you. God bless you.